place looks so different in the dark.
Yeah. You think the tree ruined my couch?
I think it ruined your entire living room.
Listen, I have to tell you something.
No, you don't.
You don't even know what I'm gonna say.
I think I do, and you shouldn't.
Joe.
I'll mess it up, Alex. I mess everything good in my life up, and we work as friends really well, and I don't want to mess that up.
You won't mess anything up. Last night, before the tree, you asked me a question. You wanted to hear me say the words, so I'm saying them right now.
I don't hear anything.
Shut up.
Okay, but
I'm serious.
Fine.
I love you.
What would I do without your smart mouth? Drawing me in and you kicking me out. You got my head spinning. No